Hi guys, it's Carrie. Welcome back. I just want to share a little Dollar Tree DIY project that I made for myself with you. I have created a little planner for 2020. So I was at the Dollar Tree yesterday just shopping around for some stuff for a charity organization that we're doing at my work. It's for Operation Christmas. And I came across this. This was a corrugated file folder, and I really liked it because it had all these cute little coffee cups on there. I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. Look how cute that is. So this is designed to hold paper for you. So I guess technically mine is holding paper, but I totally decided to alter it and sort of make it my own. So I'm just going to show you a little flip through of what I've made. It's a planner. I did this Midori style, so I have 6 little signatures in here. So let's take a look. Now I only have just the plain paper in here, really nothing else, and so I had to stick a little wood stamp in here to kind of hold my book up, because again, once it fills up, it's going to get to stand nice and sturdy. Otherwise, right now, it'll lean just a little bit, which is fine, no big deal, but once you fill it, it's really gonna form itself out. So here is my cover. This is 9x6, and it's a hard cover. It's that corrugated cardboard. So for those of you who love the idea of making journals, but maybe you don't have the time or you don't know how to create yourselves spines and such, this is a super easy way to create a nice journal for you. So 9x6, on the cover, I took a coffee sleeve and I cut it. And then I left the corrugated side up, and I inked it with my Tim Holtz ink. Something, I forget what it's called, something lipstick. Anyways, it's pink, it's bright, it's vibrant. And then I just put some cheesecloth, a little butterfly, and then 2 little Tim Holtz sticker quotes, choose to shine and stay curious. So I put a little coffee sleeve on my coffee book, which I figured, hello, makes great sense to me. My spine is huge. It's 3¼ inches, and this hole that's in the spine is actually, I think it's kind of cool. It's like a little peekaboo. But there is a hole in the corrugated file folder, so, but that's totally fine. I left it. I think it's kind of looking neat. And then I have got little eyelets down here. So I have 6 of them on the bottom, 6 on the top. And then for my Midori, string, I just use this stuff, you guys. This is for jewelry, but it's like stretchy elastic. I picked this up at Amazon. I don't know, it was maybe like $7 or something, but anyway, I have a huge roll of it, which is cool. And then I want to show you the back. So that's what that coffee paper looks like. Isn't that cute? I totally love it. Okay, so here is what she looks like on the inside. So just paper. Again, 6 signatures. I made a pocket in the front, and I have a pocket in the back. And I start and center my signatures with scrapbook paper. And the scrapbook paper that I worked with is Park Lane Papery that I picked up at, I think it's actually Michael's, at Michael's that I got that at. So anyway, but here we go. So I've got 6 little books. So what I'm thinking is, as a planner, 1 book will represent 2 months. And so then I've got a total of 12. So like the first half can be January, and then the second half February, you know, so on and so forth. But all I did is have a cover. And then I worked with parchment paper because I didn't want stark white paper. I wanted there to be a little bit of color to it, but also neutral. So I've got parchment paper. I have an envelope in here. I've got ledger paper, and I just kind of alternated. So we've got ledger, parchment, ledger. It's nice to have ledger paper if you're knitting lines in your notebook, obviously, but also if you're making lists and such. I just think that's handy. And then here's the center. And then here's the back side. And the cardstock is all double-sided cardstock, which is my favorite kind of cardstock. And it's a little bit thicker. And then I have an envelope that if I want to, you know, tuck anything in from, you know, those first 2 months of the year, then I definitely can do that. I can add pockets to this. I can almost use this like junk journal style too if I want to. Because that spine is so big, it will allow for great expansion, which I'm really excited about. So I'm just going to flip to show you the scrapbook paper because the insides of each signature is basically the same. I rearranged the order a little bit, but that's just, you know, preference. But look how pretty that paper is. I love it. And then on the center, I've got a pretty green. Then I've got this one. The inside cover of that looks like this. And then I did a solid pink, like a darker and a lighter version. This one's got some gold foiling on it. And the inside looks like this. And then for my center, I went with green. Notice I've left all my strings down here at the bottom because I'm probably going to put some charms or something on there. I just haven't decided quite yet what I want to do. There's the inner cover. This one's really pretty too. All the colors marrying together. Here's the inside. I actually love that inside. I think it's so pretty. And then got that berry, that dark Merlot kind of berry color. This one's more of a punchy version of it. And then for my last one, I've got this. Just pretty little flowers, leaves, dark green on the inside. And then for my center, I did another pink. And then I've got a pocket in the back. And I just took some cards from the kits inside of this, but see how I have like tons of room to build, but I can go in here and, you know, literally make calendars or add calendars. You can write, you can journal, you can junk journal it if you want to. But anyways, I just wanted to share this little funsie that I made for myself. I'm pretty happy with it. And all I did was take this and cut it down and make it the size that I wanted it to be. And then punched my eyelets, strung my little elastic banding, tied it, and then put some pockets in. So super easy project to make for myself. So I'm totally loving it. Just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.